Michelle here. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am filming how to prepare a meal prep. So basically we're going to use one protein and a majority of the same ingredients for 3 separate dishes, and they should last you for at least 5 days. So the idea is cook in one day and rest and relax for 5, so you don't have to worry about what you're gonna make, portion control, especially if you're really busy or you're working out and you're trying to minimize your calorie intake, because maybe you just I know when you're busy and there's nothing ready to eat, we always end up eating the wrong thing. So I wanted to come on here and make a video for those of you who are interested in making a meal prep for the whole week, so you can kind of maintain your calories and don't feel so bad about grabbing that handful of chips. That's my guilty pleasure. And candy, hard candy. Okay, anyways, so back to protein, a majority of the same ingredients for all dishes, and then I will do a few variations of like we'll just do a couple added ingredients to like different dishes. I'll show you what I mean. I'll show you how. Go ahead. I'm going to show you next is sauté time.